Hi children, welcome to this session. In previous session we learnt about parts of a leaf as food factory. That is the process called photosynthesis, chlorophyll, classification of plants, flowering and non-flowering plants, green and non-green plants. Today we are going to learn about parts of flower. Have you seen flowers? Try to answer the questions given below, children. Which is your favorite flower? Jasmine, rose. What is the color of the flower? White or red? How does it smell? Jasmine and rose, it is nice, no? Pleasant smell. Before we get into this part of flower, you want to know types of flowers, children. I'll tell you some names of flowers. Daisy, rose, iris, narcissus, orchid, tulip, sunflower, cyclamen, carnation, poppy, pansy, violet, mimosa, daffodil, lily, hyacinth, anemone, gladiolus, forget-me-not, bluebell, bougainvillea, buttercup, cactus flower, camellia, chrysanthemum. Should know about the four visible parts of a flower are explained below. The parts of a flower are sepal, petal, stamen, and pistil. The four important parts are sepal, petal, stamen, pistil. Look at the picture, children. Sepal. Sepals are leaves that protect the flower while it is still a bud. Sepals are usually green in color. Next one, petals. Petals are often bright colored. Their main job is to attract insects such as bees or butterflies to the flower. The insects help the flower in the transfer of pollen grains. Stamen. Stamen can be seen at the center of a flower. Center of a flower. They contain pollen grains that help the plants to multiply. It is the male part of a flower. Stamen is a male part of a flower. Pistil. Pistil is also seen at the center of the flower. The pistil uses pollen to help the flower become the fruit. It is a female part of a flower. Stamen is the male part of a flower. Pistil is the female part of the flower. More to know. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia. This rare flower is found in the rainforest of Indonesia. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia. Try to answer. Fill in the blanks. Sepals dance the flower while it is still a bud. Answer is sepals protect the flower while it is still a bud. Second, stamen contains dash grains. What is the answer? Pollen grains. Pistil is dash part of a flower. Pistil is a female part of a flower. Let us do, children. Take a hibiscus flower and observe. Then I'll ask this question. What are the parts of a flower? Hibiscus. Petal, sepal, pistil, stamen. What is its color? Petal is red in color. Sepal, green. Sepal is green. Then pistil, red color. stamen red. Let us move on to the seasonal flowers, children. Think and answer. Can you name the 4 seasons? What are the 4 seasons? Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The change in climate that occurs periodically is called seasons. There are 4 general seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Most flowers bloom in a specific season. Hence, they are called seasonal flowers. Look at your book, children. Flowers that bloom in winter. December, winter jasmine, tube rose. Flowers that bloom in summer, jasmine, sunflower, rose. Flowers that bloom in autumn and spring, dahlia, saffron, tulip. That's all. More to know, firecracker flowers bloom in all seasons. Firecracker flowers means that is in Tamil we call it as Kanagavambaram. Kurunji flower blooms once in 12 years. Next one is exotic plants. What is exotic plants? The plants that are growing outside its native area, either purposefully or accidentally, are called exotic plants. Most of these plants are brought to new areas for decoration purposes. Some of them are given below. That is sago palm, cycas, fern, crotons, traveler's palm, boat lily, aloe vera. These are all the exotic plants. You should know more about this plant, Parthenium. Parthenium plant accidentally grow in a new native. This plant expands its range and disturbs the cultivation areas. The pollen of this plant is allergic in nature. So don't touch this plant wherever you see, children. Try to answer. Find the odd one. December, tuberose, tulip. The odd one is tulip. Saffron, dahlia, rose. Odd one is rose. Rose, boat lily, crotons. Rose is the odd one. Plants as food. Humans and other animals depend on plants. They often use plants as food. Plants we eat are edible. Edible parts of some plants includes leaves, stems and roots. We also eat fruits produced by plants. Which is the edible parts of plants? All the parts of different plants are edible. That is, we can eat them as food. Roots as food. Many plants store excess food in their roots. They have thick and swollen roots. These roots are used as food. Some of them are given below. Some examples are given below. Carrot, beetroot, tapioca. These are the roots as food. Stems as food. In some plants, the stem stores excess food in it. Potato, onion, ginger are underground stems that we eat. Some of them are given below. Leaves as food. Leaves of some plants are used as food. In some plants, extra food is stored in leaves. We eat the leaves of plants like cabbage. Some of the leaves used as food are given below. Coriander, cabbage, moringa, mint and some greens also. Flowers as food. Flowers are the most attractive part of the plant. Many flowers are used as food. Some of them are given below: banana flower, cauliflower, and clove. Fruits as food. Many fruits are used as food. Fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. They keep us healthy. All fruits can be eaten raw: banana, mango, jackfruit, etc. Grains as food. Grains of pulses, cereals, and pods are the commonly eaten seeds. They are rich sources of carbohydrates and proteins. Example: rice, pulses, fenugreek. Try to answer, fill in the blanks. Banana flour is used as food. Dash part of the potato plant is used as food. Stem. Stem of the plant stores food in it. Seeds are rich in protein and carbohydrates. More to know. Trees are the longest living organism on earth. Bamboo plants can grow up to 90 centimeter in one day. It grow up to 90 centimeter in one day. Let us do. Complete the table to show which part of the plant we eat. The tabular column: food items, parts of the plant eaten. Carrot, root. Banana flower. Mango, fruit. Cauliflower, flower. Rice, seed. Dal, seed. Mango, leaves. Turmeric, stem. Onion, stem. Cabbage, leaves. Jackfruit, fruit. Beetroot, root. That's all about this lesson, children. Thank you, children.